Hey guys, I'm Michael PAA. I'm at the IWA 24 in Nuremberg at the booth from Tetra Gun, and Craig is showing us their new products, and they're insane.
Okay, thank you very much. So we have our triple action spray, which was the evolution of the original Tetra Gun Spray, which has been around for many years. This is a great CLP product with our lubricant technology inside of it, and it's a very non-oily finish and good corrosion protection. And we have another brand new formula. This one is in stock right now in Germany, and this is the Tetra Gun Spray II, which is a little different. It's more an actual grease in here with a really beefed up corrosion inhibitor. So it's a real dry finish, and this is a very handy small can.
And don't forget, shooters, always clean your hands. And they also have the wipes to get the lead from your hands. Very easy. One wipe after shooting, that's it, right?
Smart move.
Do it before you eat it. Thank you so much.
Thanks.